guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have another slime package for you guys. So this package is from Slimy Stunt Manila or MNL, and I'm super excited to open it. So without further ado, let's just get started. Okay, so the first thing I see is this bag of extras, which looks so cool. I love how her slime package is filled with warm colors like orange, red, and yellow. So here is her card. It says, "Thank you for purchasing even if I didn't purchase this. This is what you'll get if you do." And then there's instructions and her Instagram. You guys should go follow. I believe that this is her logo. And here is the note. You guys can pause to read. Thank you so much for this lovely letter. I will surely keep this, it's so sweet. Thank you so much, Slimy.MNL. She gave me these extra glitters and these are so cute. She gave me foam beads and borax, 2 Sagas candies. Lastly, she gave me a ponytail or pangtale. Now let's move on with the slimes. So she bubble wrapped them, which is good. I will be back, I just have to activate them. So the first one is called Pink Crystals, and this is an amazing slime because it smells like a ratalis. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but it's a fruit that has been my childhood. And this one was clear a while ago, but because I was mixing it, it became kind of opaque. But it will go back to its clear form at some point. I love how it has holographic glitter sprinkle things. I'm not sure what you call it, but they really do reflect light in such different colors, which is so cool. But it's so nice. It smells good. This one is called Mango Tango. And this, surprisingly, actually smells like mango. It's so cool. I'm not really sure how she gets her slimes to scent like these. And these slimes are actually prettier in real life. It's just that my light is really bad. But this is a really nice color. It's more orange in person. It's glossy. Last but not the least, we have Peach Sorbet, and this one is a kind of like a cloud slime, and it smells like baby powder or some product in the shower. I'm not really sure. So this one is really nice. It's a good cloud slime, although I suggest that it could be less watery. Look at how pretty that is. That is all for this package. I hope you guys check her out. She has such a nice shop. I really love how everything is neat and organized. I think this is one of the best packages that I've ever opened. So yeah, shout out to Slimys.Manila. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And as always, may you guys have a kawaii day. Bye!